Hey guys, I just want to do a review on this Manitou skid steer loader. This is the 1500R. It's got a 72-inch wide sweeper on it. We're going to be using it to sweep this parking lot over here. So I just want to give you guys my thoughts on it overall. Nice looking unit. One of the first things I want to mention is getting in and out of the cab. I wish there was a step right here to help me get in and out, but there's not. But that's more the attachment that should have a step on it somewhere there. But otherwise, I gotta try and step all the way into there. Getting in and out of the skid loader is fine. This step, that low door, is very nice. But there needs to be something in between here, but that's more of on the attachment, not so much the skid loader. So first, I just want to explain what I do like about the machine. First of all, the machine, weighing under 6,000 pounds, felt very light and nimble on the concrete. This machine felt very agile. Now, this machine was a foot control machine, meaning it did not have joysticks in it, but it still moved around the concrete very easily, which I enjoyed. But now I have to explain what I did not like about this machine, was how noisy it was inside the cab. It has a published spec of 85 dBA, but when I tested it with my phone, it tested at 91, which according to this chart over here is louder than the average motorcycle. So I suggest that if you are looking to purchase one of these machines, ask the dealer about getting a sound reduction package added to the machine, which will make it noticeably quieter inside the cab. But overall, I did like this machine. It did a lot of cleanup work, it was very nice, and overall I was comfortable in the machine. If you like this review, please like and subscribe. As we have more tests and reviews on the way, please leave a comment down below.